Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this video. Hello, it's good to see you here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. You will not regret spending few minutes of your time here. In this video, I want to talk about turnover and profit. If you are a new business owner or you've been into business, I want you to come closer and watch this video attentively. Now, there is a show on Facebook. That's where I gather my inspiration for this video from. People are going there, you go and pitch out your business idea so they can maybe give you capital. Some people don't know the difference between profit and turnover. What is turnover? Turnover is total amount of money that your business has generated, right? What is profit? Profit is your benefit from selling that product, right? Now, most people are always confused between these two things. That is why they can ask you that how much money has your business generated for this year. You say my turnover is about 10 million, or my profit is maybe 2 million or 3 million. That is how it is supposed to look like. It is not the turnover that is generally your profit. Most people, when you get a product, let's say this is a product you're selling, right? You get this product for, let's say, for 2,000 francs, and you sell this product for 500 francs. You'll be thinking that 500 francs that you have actually sold that product for is your profit, right? It's not your profit. Let me make it clear to you. You bought this product for 2,000 francs. Wherever you bought it from that place to your business center, you pay transportation, right? The building where you're actually using to sell that product is also paid for, right? So now, at the end of the day, you are going to calculate your total turnover minus your expenses before you can get your profit. I don't know if I'm making sense, right? You are going to know your profit, you are going to calculate what? Total turnover minus expenses before you can get your profits. So that's just what I want to clarify, because some business people don't know that thing. We just go and buy this thing for 2,000 francs, you come and sell it for 2,500, and you are like, oh, that 500 francs is my profit. It's not your profit. There is definitely what we call expenses, and this is what some people don't see. You just go, you start up a business, whatever money you're generating, you don't tend to calculate your taxes, your rentage, your day-to-day expenses. You don't calculate them. You just sell, you eat the profit, you sell, you calculate the head. Like, I don't know how I can put it. You just calculate it, what comes in, you think is profit. It's not profit. It is when it comes to time to pay your rent, you'll be like, electricity, water bill, and other day-to-day activities. That's when you start crying. So if you want to calculate your profits, start by taking your cost price of the product minus the actual sale price of that product. You have a total, and then you go now, you minus your expenses, maybe for the day, for the week, for the month, for the year. Then the leftover, that will be your profit. Okay, that is why when you are starting your business, you must be careful on how you manage your finances, so that you will not go and touch your capital, so that you don't spend to the extent that it affects your capital. Because when your spendings finally reach where it affects your capital, you might not be able to afford that product again. This is a mistake I made some years back when I just left school. I'll buy a basket of tomato. I'll come and sell that basket of tomato. Let's say I buy a basket of tomato for 7,000 francs. I'll sell it for 10,000 francs. And I'll be so excited that I've made profit for 3,000 francs. I'll use that 3,000 francs profit and I'll buy another thing again. And then at the end of that, I'll be like, what of my transportation that I paid to the market, to and fro? What of this, what of that? And I realized that I was not actually calculating my expenses. So expenses are also in that your profit that you're making. So take note of that. So let's say if you make 5 million from turnover, and then the cost price of that product is about 2 million, and then let's say you think 3 million is your profit. No, go into that 3 million, minus your rent, minus your day-to-day expenses, minus your taxes and all that, and then the leftover can be maybe 1.5 or 1 million or even 700,000. Yeah, then that is what you actually consider as your profit. So thank you so much for watching this video. I don't know if there was a mix-up somewhere, but if you actually understand the point that I'm trying to explain here, share this video and comment down below. And until now, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.